Mounting the EFI partition in Windows. Open command prompt with administrator privileges. Type disk part. Type list disk. This will list all the disks connected to your system. Select the disk which has the EFI partition using the command select disk 0. Replace 0 with the number corresponding to your disk. Type list partition. This will list all the partitions on the selected disk. The EFI partition is usually 200 megabytes in size. Select it using the command select partition 1. Replace 1 with the number corresponding to your EFI partition. Assign a drive letter to it using the command assign letter is equal to G. Replace G with your preferred drive letter. Now, you should be able to see your EFI partition in Windows Explorer. If you encounter permission issues while trying to access the EFI partition, consider using a third-party program like Explorer++ download and run it as an administrator. Please note that these steps involve modifying disk partitions, which can lead to data loss if not done correctly. Always ensure you have a backup of your important data before proceeding. Also, remember that the disk and partition numbers in the commands may vary based on your system configuration. Be sure to replace them with the correct numbers for your system.